Hello, welcome to my channel, Untethered for Life, a channel documenting my attempt to live a life untethered. As it stands now, I've been living the typical American dream. I got a job, I worked up the ranks in my career, I met a gorgeous woman, I got married, and I bought a house. I'm proud of everything I've accomplished so far. But there's two things that I'd really like to change. One is I want to stop trading time for money. And two, I just want to live more free. So yesterday was the last day at my longtime employer, 7 years in fact. I gave up a 6-figure salary. I'll be selling all of my belongings and my house over the next couple months. So what am I deciding to keep? Well, a couple things. My wife, she's a keeper. My 2 dachshund dogs, Domino and Kaia. My 2021 Toyota Supra. And my wife's 2018 Jeep Wrangler. As well as 6 suitcases of belongings. After that, I'm going to start living a life untethered. So I've traveled a decent amount already to places such as New Zealand, Thailand, Costa Rica, Mexico, Canada, and you can check out all of my past adventures via my blog down below. Just click the link in the description. So our first stop, living untethered, will be Croatia. After that, who knows? So what do I hope to provide my audience with in this channel? Well, first, I'd like to document all of the trials and tribulations and the crazy, difficult problems we may run into emotionally, logistically, as we embark on this untethered lifestyle. And hopefully this will help you decide if this kind of lifestyle is for you. Second is reviews and opinions of the food, culture, experiences, landscapes, and more in the various places we visit to help you make a decision about where you might want to travel to next. And third, I don't intend to be on the go all the time. I'm gonna be jumping on a plane every month, going here and there, and moving fast, etc. My intent is to stay in most places for between 6 months to 2 years. This will allow me to really delve deep into the richness and the nuances that would probably be glossed over if you only stayed in a place for a week or a month. I'm personally searching for a more in-depth understanding of the world. And when I find those revelatory, magical, oh wow moments, they'll be shared here on this channel with you. With that, I hope you enjoyed my introductory video. The next series of videos will include our initial thoughts on Croatia, followed by the logistics and emotional challenges that we come across selling all of our belongings and selling our house. Then what it's like to take 2 dogs and 2 cars across the ocean. Of course, for me to live untethered, I do need an audience. So if you're interested in watching this story unfold, I'd be incredibly grateful if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and here's to a life living untethered. So I'm proud of the things that I've accomplished so far. But there are 2 things that I would like. I've already done this and that was really good, so I don't need to do it again. Okay. There's a link to it. You can check out my past adventures. Let me try that again because that was weird sounding. All of our belongings and quit saying